Good luck, both teams. First ball possession. Last shot. Long ball on the field. Steal. Wala na ba? Good number 50. Two points, number 31.
Inulok titing manalili. Burdin.
Number 21. Foul with number 35. Two points, jersey number 2.
Paalo na nag-aaral.
Foul jersey number 43. Timeout! Russia! Traveling. Foul number 15. First personal foul number 15. 13 fouls.
Stay, yun, push. Usually use your Spider-Man skills and got that shit, bro. Use your spider webs.
Score 08. Rebound number 2. Rebound number 33.
Rep, naniniko!
Points number 72.
Nice pass!
Number 43. Points number 21. Points number 15.
Time. Time. Move, bro. Oh yeah.
Seconds.
Lapper.
Foul number 20. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Tira mo! Tira mo! Tira mo! Tira! Oh, bro, you buns, bro. Joseph, you ass, bro. Dumbass.
Foul jersey number 2. First personal.
Joseph, shoot that shit. Shoot that shit, sweet. Traveling. Kobe. Give it up.
Points. Gonzalez. Foul jersey number 05. Foul jersey number 3. Substitution.
Joseph, you shoot it, dude.
Go out of bounds. Shot clock 10. Foul number 77. Rebound number 77. Number 24, 3 points.
Teka, you let Dyer shoot?
Number 20, 2 points. Substitution. Points. Foul number 3. Second personal foul. 13 fouls. Number 20. Foul number 24. Foul number 3, penalty, substitution. Martinez, third personal foul.
Hindi ako makatay. Pero kailangan hindi matapusin mo.
2 points, Gonzalez.
Nice boss!
2 points, goes to number 20. Number 21, Flores. Number 24, Green. Last shot call. Set.
Oh, hell nah! Run, Arlan, run! Green!
Keep on. Jersey number 8. Salas. 2 points. Then time 1 minute and 20 seconds. The 8. Still number 20. Rebound Gonzalez. Foul jersey number 43, substitution. Yacilio's second personal foul. Substitution. Last 50 seconds. Foul jersey number 2. Second personal warning for penalty on jersey. Last 10 seconds.
Arlan!
Foul jersey number 21, basket counts. Bonus shot. Last 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. End of the second quarter. Pass to number 77. Back to number 22. Pull up. No. Rebound to number 22. Rebound to number 39. Number 30 attack. No. Foul. Foul number 2. Into the hand of 2 shots. That is your third personal foul. Personal no. Sending a final throw. Ready numbers. PG down going here. Passing number 22. Dan Nambasa. Number 2 by number 21. 7 na lang. Number 21, inbound the ball. Pass inside, number 22, Peyton. Pass to number 21. Okay, traveling violation. That's number 13 now. Pass inside. Still number 19. Inside. Pass to number 22. Oh, yes. Good for you. Number 18 now. Pass to number 13. Number 15 now. Number 43 Peyton. Yes. Okay, foul, basketball. Foul number 43, pushing foul. Number 43, that is the third personal foul. 21, inbound the ball. Pass to number 19. Attack. Cover, yes, good for two, right number 19. Number 30, leading the ball. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 43, pull out. Yes, good for two, by number 43. Number 24, pass to number 19. Number 21, back to number 19. Long throw. No. Number 8, pass to number 6. Communication. Disable. Number 21 to number 22, back to number 21. Number 21, attack. Luto, hindi lang na number 77, pull out. Wala pa rin. Nasa number 13. 13. Pass inside to number 15. Yes, good one. So number 15.
Hey, what double dribble, dude?
So, ang last shot ng isa. Number 24, hot throw. Number 24, 3. Pass to number 88, babae. Wala. Ibang by number 21. Number 21, pass to number 19, Grace, and attack. No. Ibang by number 22, pass to number 24, Grace. Okay, traveling violation. South. Number 30 now. Okay, may nakuha foul. Foul by number 22. Personal foul. Second team foul. Number 30 pass to number 43. Pass to number 19, pull out. Yes, good for two by number 19. Parehas lang. Number 21, attack. Raise up, no. Ibang number 88, ibang sa 18 now. Galit yung number 24. Wala, pero may nabang foul. Foul by number 24. Pushing foul. That is your second personal foul. Third team foul. First row by number 88.
Hold the basket, hold the basket. Hold the basket, hold the basket.
Ayun. Started the ball na po tayo. Kaya binigyan ko ng 2 free throw. Okay, second. Okay. Foul by number 30. Aman, that's the second personal foul. Number 21. So, sayang. Pas pinagawa James. Back to number 19. Wala. Okay, substitution rep. 77 number 21 out.
Chill out, dude.
Pass to number 22. Pass to number 19. 22 to number 24. Pass to number 2. Attack. Number 19 comes over. Number 19. Passing back to number 15, yes, good for 2 by number 15. Number 24, passing number 22, 19 to number 2. Number 22, Arak, pull up. Segundo, back to number 22, Balabarin. And number 2, Arak. Wala pa rin. Okay, number 19. Off break to number 88. Pull up. No. Good back now sa number 22. Number 2. Pass to number 19. 19 attack. Babal. 19 to number 24. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 2. Long throw. Wala. Kaya naman ang bangbaw. Number 19, titirahan ng 3 shots. Subdivision, number first row, number 2. Good. Second row. Wala pa rin. Okay, pass na ba na go with the Jammers. Yun, pumasok na. Number 30 now. Pass to number 15. Pass inside to number 20. Number 20, yes, number 2. Still number 15. Pass to number 15. Back to number 15. Good, para naman foul. Okay, foul. Number 22, that is your second personal foul. 40 foul. Okay, time out. Number 20. Number 20, that is your third personal foul. And a fourth team foul. First throw given to number 2. Nalaw na pala na. Basket lang pala yung basket lang. Okay. Si number 30. Passing side to number 15. No! Sino makakaboy ng wala? Nagulog ng number 19. Ginagay kay 15. Okay, last shot si number 15. Jesse Wall. Oras na rin, 1 minuto, 3 segundo. Number 22, pass to number 21, back to number 22. Number 21, Nahal, pull up, good. Ibigay ko number 20, pass to number 15. Rain time, 39 seconds. Pass to number 19. To number 2. Back to number 22. Number 20, known for teammate. Pass to number 19. Back to number 22. Fake. Back to number 19. To number 2. Long throw. No good. Okay, good save. 10 seconds. 19. Pull up. Tabal. Okay, December, 3 seconds na lang tayo. 3 seconds.
Foul.
Okay, foul. Number 22, that is your third personal foul. First throw, yes. Okay, ang ating score, 47-49, favor of last shot. Ready? Number 30, rebound the ball. Pass to number 15, back to number 13. Arak, pass to number 20, pull up. Yes, good for 2, by number 20. Number 22. Dengan number 20 now, pass to number 21. Pass to number 19, to number 22. Number 2. Arak, back to number 20, let's go. Good. Hindi galing tayo needs, tayo needs. Back to number 30. Pass to number 14. Anak, pass to number 14. Pass to number 21. Foul by number 15. That is your fourth personal foul. Ito na lang ito. Kaya sa number 30 now. Tata, pas tayo na huwag at sayang. Kalabain na. Kalabain na. Meron ng isang tao. 21. Kaya na 2 shots. That is your second personal foul. First team foul. First rule. Yes. Last row, number 3. Number 3. Okay, but 21 by number 3. Saya itu dalam, saya itu dalam. Number 21. Number 2. Number 13. Anak, yes, basket down to number 13. Post foul, basket down, foul by number 21. Into the hand. Okay, time out tayo, time out. Ladies and gentlemen, coordinator by number 3. Alas natin 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Ay nasa number 22. Back to number 22, to number 21. Back to number 22, pass to number 19. Number 2, Loco, number 2, Whee! Number 30, number 15, back to number 30. Attack, steal number 2, pass to number 22. Wala, ibang to number 3. Number 15 na, pass to number 13. Long throw, good. Rebound by number, last touch by number 43. Number 2, pass to number 22, number 15, number 49, pass to number 19, number 2, attack, back to number 22, to 19, to number 2, low blow, wala, ibang number 20, number 20, pass to number 43, yes, number 2, number 43,
Good shoot, Liga.
Number 2, lap to number 22, low blow, wala pa rin. Kaya sa number 30. Sa titulay, pass to number 43, pull out, no. Rebound by number 77, pass to number 2. Number 19, hey, may tinggal number 19. Number 30 now. Pass to number 15. Number 48. Pass inside the Alibu. Yeah, by number 20. Yes. Number 22, Subok. Wala pa rin. Number 30, after number 15, there's a wall, sa putusan. Nasa number 2, number 21, back to number 2, break, steering, number 43, back to number 13. Break, pass inside the number 43. Number 14, pass inside again. Number 19, Sulus one. Pass. Left hand side. Number 13, pass to number 13. 21 to number 24. Wala. Rebound by number 13.
Biar terlihat Oh my
Bola
goodness.
namun lagi pas nomor 2. Reza Elson. Time out. Last set.
Brr, bang bang, brr, bang bang.
Foul by number 24, pushing foul, 2 sets. Number 24, third personal foul, third team foul. First throw by number 43, no good. Second and final throw by the jumpers. Yes, number 22, number 21, up. Number 2. Yes, the basket count. Basket count, followed by number 3. Number 3, that is your fourth personal foul. Hey, 3 points. Number 30, shooting the line. Pass inside to number 43. Number 88, jump throw.
Boom, Nick. Boom, Nick.
Number 21, babae. Here comes number 39. Pass number 88. Inulit. Isang number 19. Number 19. Number 22. Last 2 minutes. Number 20. Laluta. Foul by number 3. Number 3. That is your fifth.
Ayaw magpasab.
Number 5. Number 19, Pulang. Laluta. Number 22, number 24. Number 19. Back to number 24. Long throw. Laluta. Rebound by number 27. Number 2. Number 19. Number 22. Pass inside to number 24. Umalat na. 58 seconds. Number 88. Pass inside to number 28. To number 5. Pulang. No.
Golaw, Joseph.
Bola. Sapa.
Bagang. Ay.
Oras natin, 43 seconds. Number 22, all alone, next up. Wala pa rin.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Bro.
30 seconds.
Pass it to Joseph. Yun.
Okay, 6 seconds. Okay,